Good afternoon again. I think it's afternoon. Yeah, it is. I'd like to talk to you today about the multitude of uses of masking tape. Or in this case, I think this is gaffer tape actually, and gaffer tape's slightly better for the things that I like to use it for. Like, for instance, if you're going to kidnap somebody and they, you get them in a dark room, but it might be next door to somebody else's house, and you think that somebody might hear them moaning and screaming, then what you can do is you can stick it over their mouth. So that instead of going rah, 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 like that, they'll be going. But that's not very nice, is it? And they've said in the community centre often that I shouldn't go around kidnapping people because, often you get arrested for it. Unless they don't find the body, of course. Anyway, enough of that. And other things you can use masking tape for is if you decide to go running around the streets naked, if you think that that's a bit too kind of ambitious or whatever, what you could do is you could put some of this round your willy, like as pants. But even then, when I tried it, apart from the fact that when you take it off it's really painful because it pulls all your bits and pubes and things off, apart from that, it also, it's not funny this, it's very serious, it also means that you still get arrested for indecent exposure, you see. And, the little old ladies in the community centre and the little old ladies in the street even just don't like it very much. So you don't use it for that. I mean, the proper use for it, of course, is if you've got wires and things and you could tape them down like that. Or if you cut your leg off, you could put it on the end to stop the blood squirting out and you dying very quickly. You'd probably die anyway if your leg's off, unless you get it stitched up quickly. But anyway, I think we've digressed. So this is masking tape or gaffer tape as it's most commonly known. It's nice. It's got a multitude of uses. Stick it on your nose and pretend to be adamant, or the other thing is you could do that. And you remember that old programme, The Saint, where it went do 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 do. Well, you could use it for that. The only problem with that is it was white, and that the halos are white, you see, and that's black. So that's not going to work, is it? But anyway, so I'm running out of things to say, of course, and I don't know what I'm doing here, sitting talking. So I'm going to say goodbye. And I'm going to conclude this with my usual customary concluding word of bollocks. Bye-bye.